I'm at 20320 Nature's Corner. I'm going to come down here, kind of pan out so you can see the street. And there's no houses across the street from you. It's nicely landscaped. They do a really nice job on their grass. It's a 3-car garage. Covered area, double doors. I don't know if you can see that. And I know a lot of people want to make sure there are no mud daubers or wasps or any imperfections up there. Okay, we'll walk in. And we have a formal dining room off to the left. Formal sitting area, living area, straight ahead. We have ceramic tile floors. And then this is an office with a laminate wood flooring. A lot of natural light in here, double doors. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go off to the right of the formal living space. And is the master. So we'll go to the master bedroom. The same wood floors that were in the office space are in the master. You do have an entry door to go in and out of there, out of the lanai. There is no actual door on the master bath, but you do have his and her closet space. So, his and her closet space. Potty room. Linen closet. Sunken tub. And double vanities. And of course, your stand-up shower. Okay. If we go to the left of the formal sitting room, we have a butler's pantry here. Your pantry space. The desk area there. Granite countertops. You have an island, double ovens, stainless steel appliances, crown molding on the cabinets, and it is vented. I don't know if you can see that, it's vented out. Laundry room is off the kitchen. Cabinetry, I'm not sure if you get cabinetry matches the kitchen. I'm gonna go out to the garage, and it's hot out here. So they have a couple of refrigerators, storage, 3rd-car bay, double bay, hurricane-safe garage doors, as you can see. Your electrical panel is here, your hot water heater is back here, and your irrigation system is right there. I am not seeing any imperfections in the garage at all. So, and it has the epoxy floor. Okay. Again, ceramic tile. Off to the left of the kitchen, we have guest room number 1. ample amount of closet space. It's a double closet, and they have the little shelving decor area up on the top of the closet. You have 4-piece bath here in the hallway, and then you have an additional guest bedroom over here. These are very large bedrooms. They feel very spacious. You know, they have a queen size bed in here, but this still feels like there's a lot of space. You have your breakfast nook off of your kitchen. Let's see if I can kind of get a better picture of this. I know it's hard to imagine. Definitely a large amount of space. Come over here to the left, and we have an additional bedroom with 2 closets. And you have another guest bathroom with a pool bath door. So we're going to go ahead and go out the sliding glass doors to the pool area in Lanai. And this opens all the way up, and these move like butter. I mean, they move so easy. So I'm going to try to back up a little bit here so you can kind of see. I love the pocket doors that completely open, and your outside becomes your inside, especially from November to February. So you have a nice covered area over here with a fan. Okay. Nice covered area over here with a fan. You have your pool. Pool looks to be in good condition. And your outdoor kitchen areas over here. Whew. I just heard some thunder. Sorry. Hot tub. Backyard is extremely nicely landscaped. Beautiful back here. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I think my camera might have fogged up a little bit. So beautiful, and there is a creek back here in the very back of the property. Not sure if you can kind of see that area back in there. Is water flowing very, very lightly. So extremely manicured backyard. And your neighbors have fences, so obviously you could put a fence in if need be. The outside of the house, I don't see any imperfections, no stucco issues or anything like that. Okay, so just call me if you have it. Oh, the other thing, it does have a gate if you need that for the pool. So that's always nice to have. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.